Hello everyone, welcome to Lunyal classes. Students, today we will do the MCQ of Economics Chapter 2 People as Resource. In this video, you will find 45 MCQ questions. Each question has 4 options in which one option is correct. Students, in this video, I will try my best to give you the updated data. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Okay, let's start our video. Question 1. Population becomes human capital when there is investment made in the form of option A, education, B, training, C, medical care, D, all of these. Correct option is D, all of these. Question 2. In which of the following ways did India use its greater knowledge in the form of improved production technologies to increase the productivity of its scarce land resources? Option A, IT revolution, B, green revolution, C, blue revolution, D, white revolution. Correct option is B, green revolution. Question 3. In which sector natural products are changed into other forms through manufacturing? Option A, primary sector, B, tertiary sector, C, secondary sector, D, quaternary sector. Correct option is C, secondary sector. Question 4. The tertiary sector of the economy is also known as option A, primary sector, B, service sector, C, manufacturing sector, D, public sector. Correct option is B, service sector. Question 5. Which sector of the economy includes any industry involved in the extraction and production of raw materials? Option A, secondary sector, B, service sector, C, primary sector, D, private sector. Correct option is C, primary sector. Question 6. Which of the following is not a part of the primary sector? Option A, forestry, B, fishing, C, quarrying, D, tourism. Correct option is D, tourism. Question 7. Which of the following is not included in the tertiary sector? Option A, trade, B, banking, C, education, D, poultry farming. Correct option is D, poultry farming. Question 8. Which among the following is the example of secondary sector? Option A, animal husbandry, B, trade, C, manufacturing of books, D, education. Correct option is C, manufacturing of books. Question 9. Which activities are involve remuneration to anyone who performs? Option A, market activity, B, non-market activity, C, national activity, D, none of the above. Correct option is A, market activity. Question 10. The activities which don't give profit as they are done for self-consumption is called option A, market activity, B, non-market activity, C, profit-making activity, D, none of the above. Correct option is B, non-market activity. Question 11. Choose the non-market activities. Option A. Vilas sells fish in the village market. B. Vilas cooks food for his family. C. Sakal works in a private firm. D. Sakal makes a software for his company. Correct option is B. Vilas cooks food for his family. Question 12. Which one is a market activity in the following? Option A. Work of nurse at her home. B. Doctor gives medicine to his wife. C. Work of teacher in the school. D. Teacher teaches his own children at home. Correct option is C. Work of teacher in the school. Question 13. Literate and healthy population are an dash for the country. Option A. Liability. B. Asset. C. Problem. D. Profit. Correct option is B. Asset. Question 14. India's dash is a striking instance of how the importance of human capital has come to acquire a higher position than that of material, plant and machinery. Correct option is A. IT revolution. Question 15. The quality of population depends upon the option A. Literacy rate. B. Life expectancy. C. Skill formation. D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question 15. How can large population be turned into a productive asset? Option A. By stopping migration. B. By increasing employment. C. By developing rural areas. D. By investing in human capital. Correct option is D. By investing in human capital. Question 17. How did countries like Japan become rich or developed? Option A. By extracting more natural resource. B. By controlling population. C. By investing on human resource. D. By raising the standard of the people. Correct option is C. By investing on human resource. Question 18. What was the literacy rate in India in the year of 1951? Option A. 18%. B. 25%. C. 21%. D. 30%. Correct option is A. 18%. Question 19. Which of the following states has the maximum literacy rate in India? Option A. Punjab. B. Kerala. C. Bihar. D. Sikkim. Correct option is B. Kerala. Question 20. What is the primary aim of the Government of India's initiative Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan? Option A. To focus on education to women. B. To focus on giving education to children of backward classes. C. To focus on giving education to all children between 6 to 14 years. D. To focus on giving elementary education to all the children between 4 to 16 years. Correct option is C. To focus on giving education to all children between 6 to 14 years. Question 21. The scheme for the establishment of residential school to impart education to talented children from the rural areas is ऑप्शन ए केंद्रीय विद्यालय, बी नवोदय विद्यालय, सी सर्वोदय विद्यालय, डी महिला विद्यालय। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी नवोदय विद्यालय। Question 22. Which one of the following is considered important to create a virtuous cycle by the parents? Option A. To send their children to the school. B. To provide good food to their children. C. To join their children in corporate schools. D. To take care of the health and education of their children. Correct option is D. To take care of the health and education of their children. Question 23. The literacy rate during 2020 was option A 64%, B 74%, C 77.7%, D 80%. Correct option is C 77.7%. Question 24. The number of females per thousand male refers to option A sex ratio, B literacy rate, C infant mortality rate, D birth rate. Correct option is A sex ratio. Question 25. What is the sex ratio of India according to 2001 census? Option A 921 females per thousand, B 930 females per thousand, C 928 females per thousand, D 933 females per thousand. Correct option is B 930 females per thousand. Question 26. Infant mortality rate is the death of a child under option A 1 year, B 3 year, C 2 year, D 4 year. Correct option is A 1 year. Question 27. Decrease in IMR or infant mortality rate of a country signifies option A the protection of children from infections, B increase in GNP, C increase in number of colleges in a country, D economic development of a country. Correct option is A the protection of children from infection. Question 28. Gross enrollment ratio in higher education in the age group of 18 to 23 years is dash in 2018-19. Option A 25.3%, B 18.5%, C 23.5%, D 26.3%. Correct option is D 26.3%. Question 29. For achieving the goal of universalization of elementary education, which steps are taken by the government? Option A Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, B bridge courses, C back to school camps, D all of these. Correct option is D all of these. Question 30. What is the life expectancy in India as per the census of 2016? Option A 68.3 years, B 72 years, C 64 years, D 53 years. Correct option is A 68.3 years. Question 31. Dash is the number of babies born for every 1,000 people during a particular period of time? Option A, literacy rate, B, sex ratio, C, birth rate, D, death rate. Correct option is C, birth rate. Question 32. Dash is the number of people per thousand who die during a particular period of time. Option A, death rate, B, birth rate, C, infant mortality rate, D, life expectancy. Correct option is A, death rate. Question 33. Infant mortality rate has come down from 147 in 1951 to dash in 2016. Option A, 20, B, 30, C, 34, D, 43. Correct option is C, 34. Question 34. Which of the following is not recognized in national income? Option A, a teacher teaching in a school, B, domestic course of a housewife, C, a doctor's services in a fertility clinic, D, a judge's service in a family court. Correct option is B, domestic course of a housewife. Question 35. Which of the following cannot be considered unemployed? Option A woman staying at home for domestic work, B, a child going to school, C, a retired postman, D, none of these. Correct option is D, none of these. Question 36. Which of the following is the most labor absorbing sector of the Indian economy? Option A, small scale manufacturing, B, fisheries, C, quarrying, D, agriculture. Correct option is D, agriculture. Question 37. When people in rural areas are not able to find jobs during some months of the year, it is called option A, disguised unemployment, B, educated unemployment, C, seasonal unemployment, D, under unemployment. Correct option is C, seasonal unemployment. Question 38. Where is seasonal and disguised unemployment found? Option A, urban areas, B, rural areas, C, in remote areas, D, both in rural and urban areas. Correct option is B, rural areas. Question 39. Why literacy rate is low in the female? Option A lack of equal education opportunities, B, lack of transport facilities, C, lack of infrastructure, D, lack of income. Correct option is A, lack of equal education opportunities. Question 40. When people who are willing to work at the going wages cannot find job, this situation is called option A, seasonal unemployment, B, disguised unemployment, C, educated unemployment, D, unemployment. Correct option is D, unemployment. Question 41. In the secondary sector, dash is the most labor absorbing area is option A, small scale manufacturing, B. Large scale manufacturing. C. Heavy industries. D. IT industries. Correct option is small scale manufacturing. Question 42. Why are rural women employed in low paid jobs? Option A. They do not need to work in high paid jobs. B. They lack in education or the necessary skill. C. They are not allowed by their families to do high paid jobs. D. They are not aware about wages structure. Correct option is B. They lack in education or the necessary skill. Question 43. Investment in human capital yields a return just like investment in. Option A. Secondary capital. B. Primary capital. C. Physical capital. D. None of the above. Correct option is C. Physical capital. Question 44. Urban areas have mostly. Option A. Educated employment. B. Educated unemployment. C. Educated people. D. Disguised unemployment. Correct option is B. Educated unemployment. Question 45. The health of a person helps him to realize his potential and the ability to fight. Option A. The enemy. B. Illness. C. With poverty. D. Unemployment. Correct option is B. Illness. Thank you. Thank you so much.